Gotcha now!
We've been spotted!
Here you are!
They're upon us!
Just for starters! Think I won't find you?
I expected more soldiers. Where are they? Maybe sick or up to something.
We're almost out of here.
Bad move. I'll find you now.
Stay away.
Stay right where you are. I'm coming.
They haven't found Vodon yet.
He's smarter than them.
He's alone. They'll catch him eventually. And quiet.
Might as well look over there. Got you at last.
Oh no!
Hiding back there won't save you. Here you are.
Damn it!
You better not run.
They've seen us!
I've got you at last.
They found us!
Over there. Get them.
We've been seen!
They fled down there. I'm going. Here you are.
We've been spotted!
You better not run!
They're upon us!
With me! Trespassers over here!
No, 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 no!
They haven't found Vodun yet.
He's smarter than them.
He's alone. They'll catch him eventually. And if they do, Hugo's lost.
You're right. Yes, we made it.
We did. But I'm weary of the thieves, murderers, mercenaries, all the bloody scum that keeps getting in our way.
Chaos rules our lives. They're part of it. And you're getting better at handling them. I see it. You didn't leave much alive back there.
Yes. That's probably why we're still alive to talk about it.
You smell that?
Dead bodies.
What is this place? A hospital?
I think they used to live here.
No wonder they all fell ill. I can't get used to it.
You don't have to. Please tell me this is it. Oh, Lord! It's a whole city.
The symbol. He's in that tower. He has to be.
Has to. Lucas, crossing this mess won't be easy or quick.
It's the order. A High Magister would just live in a high tower, no?
Let's just get there.
You sure about this?
Well, it's the only way. Just be careful.
Can you stand up?
trying to...
Please don't hurt me!
Calm down! We're not with those men! You live here?
Yes! What? What is that? They're here!
Don't drop the torch! As long as you have it, they can't hurt you!
What do they want with me?
Come to us! We have to go back up! The sun will protect us!
Calm down. You're safe with the light. All right. Where do they come from? There's more coming.
A lot more. Keep moving!
There's too many. Don't stop.
Ignore them! Keep moving!
Yes.
You see a way out?
I don't know. It's too dark. Come quick.
Close it!
Help me. Hold.
No!
We're done.
No! We've got light. We're safe for now. We're safe. We're safe. Calm down. Keep hold of me.
You think we can get out of this?
We must.